In the library, quiet as night, she dropped a book and my heart took flight. Picked it up, she caught my glance. In that moment, a sweet romance. The years of school life in a blur. Together, every story we'd confer. Pages turning with every smile. Lost in books just for a while. Oh, pages of our love unfold. Stories written pure as gold. In each chapter, you and I, together in a world so high. From Shakespeare to old Jane Eyre, found adventure everywhere. Walked the aisles hand in hand, in a wonderland so grand. Oh, the scent of books so rare, whisper secrets in the air. Every title, every line, made our young hearts intertwine. Graduation caps take flight, yet our story still feels bright. Bookshelves filled with memories of library days and love's decrees. To old Jane Eyre, found adventure everywhere. Walked the aisles hand in hand, in a wonderland so grand. Oh, the scent of books so rare, whisper secrets in the air. Every title, every line, made our young hearts intertwine. Graduation caps take flight, yet our story still feels bright. Bookshelves filled with memories of library days and love's decrees. Pages of our love unfold, stories written pure as gold. In each chapter, you and I, together in a world so high. Shakespeare to old Jane Eyre, found adventure everywhere. Walked